Ready 3U. Now, you might have heard, yes, we are celebrating 60 years of the studio tour, being a very fun time of the year for us. So, in addition to talking about some of the show details are tightly under wraps, but we're very excited that we'll get a sneak peek at some of the sets from the show later on the tour. Right-hand side of the train in particular, right now we're getting a look at our, as well as Bye Bye Birdie. However, our courthouse square is probably most likely struck by lightning. Of course, Doc Brown harnessed the lightning to great respect
used to create Hill Valley into
was filmed right here on the Universal backlot. That's not Universal, but we're not the only for just the right spot, including potentially renting out these backlot sets right here. In addition, before we do that though, toward the top of the hill that we're driving up right now, I do want to draw your attention to Ross, a hydraulic support the train before coming to a screeching halt. Both are retired effects made for the studio tour. 50 recipients remain seated at all. Is personally recommended.
চলতেছে না জানো এরা স্টপ করে আছে
And that was King Kong 360 3D. Once more amazing food, folks. It has been, first off, home to many of those remain. Now, in addition, our Little Europe sets were also Port Royale from Sparrow, played by Johnny Depp, escaping from the authorities. He ducks behind a statue and then faithfully enters Bill Turner's Black. These streets have portrayed Paris, France multiple times over the years, including such things like the television show Gilmore Girls and the 2011 The Muppets movie, starring Jason Segel, Amy Adams, and Cartman. Fans on board will probably best recognize this as The Good Place.
You Eleanor Shakespeare.
Well, it doesn't sound awesome.
Unrivaled state-of-the-art soundstage where they're currently in the interior of a soundstage who actually looks like. One of the first things to note, this is what we call a hot set. What that means is everything is camera ready. This is exactly how it's going to look when they actually start filming. In addition, one thing that's very unique about this set, this is actually a two-story set. Now, a lot of the technical equipment we use to usually create these films, the television shows, like cameras, are so heavy that if we need a second story of a building, not to worry, folks, that happened in California. Got a quick reminder to please stay seated. Uh-oh, folks. Hang on. This might be the big one. That doesn't always happen. But you all just survived Earthquake, the big one. The attraction originally opened 35 years ago in 1989, and just reopened this spring for our 60th anniversary with a complete Hollywood makeover. Oh, I have a friend, George. Uh-oh. Oh, no, folks, there's a shark in the water. There is a shark in the water. I have a friend, George, who's a diver. I sure hope he isn't in there right now. Oh, no, that's George. George, quick, get out of there. There's a shark. Oh, poor George. What a gutsy guy being. Oh, I see his guts, too. Oh, no. Everyone safety wine, pull the tram forward. Perfect, Mike. Thank you so much. Yeah, there was that yellow barrel full of bait that'll hopefully distract the shark. Look out, there's the shark! And that, everyone, was Jaws.
Welcome to the only part of the backlot with a 100% chance of rain. The flash flood.
Thank you, Mr. Roker, and perfect timing. There's the rain. Honestly, no fancy technology involved with creating rain. It hasn't changed all that much over the years. It's just coming out of sprinklers and rain, isn't it? Really difficult to properly capture on camera. Normally, what we do here is we would place backlighting all over the place just to make it pop just a little bit more when we watch a scene like this at home. In fact, at certain angles where the sunlight's really shining through, but here it comes.
Very flash.
That was Flash Flood, everyone. Flash Flood is more than just an attraction for the studio tour. It has been used for filming as well. It was used for the music video for Lady Gaga's Genius.
Yeah, we'll see about that.
Supercharged.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you won't get fined! This is our turn.
And that was Fast and Furious Supercharged.